Hello fellow educators. Everyone is struggling with their everyday life because of this COVID-19 pandemic, especially our educational system. As what Charles Darwin said, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one most adaptable to change. So we need to adapt to our current situation. Everyone now is using different softwares and applications to help their studies. We teachers also need to learn new skills and new softwares to help our students to learn better and understand more, even though we are not physically there for them. For today's tutorial, it's all about how to use the SEESAW app. This is a platform for students, teachers, for them to have better engagement and interaction.
So, before we begin with the tutorials, let me first introduce you to SEESAW, a classroom app which is widely used in over 3 out of 4 schools in the United States and in over 150 countries all over the world. Behind this amazing app is Carl Green, who is only passionate about 2 things in life, and that is 1. Technology, and 2. Education. And so, this app was then released on January 2015. And in general, SEESAW focuses on students' engagement. It is a learning journal which allows the students to create and post their works with the guidance and approval from their teachers, from their parents, and also from their peers. It is included with a lot of features to discover, where it assessments and the positive communication is very possible and is also very welcome. And what's more great about this platform is that it incorporates the teachers, the students, and the parents, and so as the families. And this app is most popular with the primary and the middle school level students, but at the same time, it is open for all ages too, wherein everyone is encouraged to do well in a very engaging environment. So now let us have Teacher Hannah to tell us more about SEESAW.
Hi everyone, I am Hannah and I know that you have been enlightened about what the SEESAW application is, its background, its purpose, and where is this application is intended. Moreover, I know what you are thinking next. Is the application is free or not? And if not, is it affordable? Now let me talk about the payment details and on how to avail a premium subscription of the application. First and foremost, the service of SEESAW class application is free. However, for the pre-subscription, its feature is limited. Yet, we don't have to worry about that because availing a premium subscription to this application is very affordable. Fortunately, for any payment and upgrade of the application, you will be able to explore the premium subscription for free, for which SEESAW offers a 60-day free trial of all the features. A premium subscription is also known as a SEESAW Plus. Isn't it great that you have the time to explore and try everything that SEESAW offers without costing anything and let you decide if you want to avail premium subscriptions or not? Well, I know that you will love and wish to continue using the SEESAW and its premium features. You don't have to worry about that because the premium subscription is very affordable. Well, the premium subscription can be availed monthly and yearly. For a yearly subscription, you will be paying $120 or about 6,600 pesos with a 20% discount off. Yet yearly subscriptions are not available via iOS or Android devices. Moreover, for a monthly subscription, you will be paying $12.99 or about 645 pesos. Monthly subscriptions are not available on web or on Kindle Fire devices. Please note that the SEESAW Plus subscription will auto-renew. However, you can cancel your subscription to turn off auto-renewal at any time. But canceling SEESAW Plus will not end your current subscription, but will only cancel the auto-renewal. However, if you wish not to avail a premium subscription and your free trial is about to end, you don't have to worry because all of the activities and information that you did and saved will never be deleted. That's great, right? Moving on, SEESAW works in every device type such as iOS, Android, Kindle Fire, and computer through Chrome, Firefox, or Edge browser. However, if you want to have an easy access and you're using the Android phone, tablet, iOS, most especially for the teachers that want to check the activities of the students, you can download the SEESAW class app, which is available in the Play Store and App Store. Make sure that your phone storage has a big space for it. That's it, and now it's time for you teachers to know how to manipulate and navigate in doing such an engaging activities for your students.
Hello everyone, this is Mr. Batiller, and now let's navigate the important features found in SEESAW. Yes, SEESAW is one of the most famous virtual classroom platform as it allows students publish and organize their output while still communicating with their teachers, parents, peers, and classmates. So now, let's have a deeper look on the different features of SEESAW. When you already set up an account, the first you will need to do is to set up your classroom. You will be asked to name your class, choose your grade level, and add some students. Here, in the left side, you can see and create your class or classes if you have multiple groups of students. When you click your created or chosen classroom, it will take you to the class journal page. So as a team recommendation, the first thing you must do is to explore the top right corner, which is the settings. Then here, you can customize on how to use the SEESAW. In settings, you can see three important groups of features in this platform. First, the class settings. It includes in here the name, the grade level, adding or inviting a co-teachers, and change the color and icon of the class to add some colors. Second is the students. Here you can see the mode of signing of students in your class, adding students, and choose what abilities students can see and do, such as the liking and commenting features and so forth. And third is the families. Especially in the primary level, supervision by parents is a good response toward better results. So in family access, if you turn on enable family access, you can invite families under each student enrolled in your class. It includes by invitation the instructions on how to log in and see the student works. Same to the students feature, you can manipulate on what are the families on each student can do in your class. Other features you can see are turning on class blog to share with an outside audience, managing folders, and skills. So once you already finish set up your settings of your class, you can now start posting activities or some students' journal pieces and announcements. So the next part you need to explore is in here, the lower right corner. You can see features in which involves for monitoring of progression and any notifications. One of it is the inbox. The inbox holds any messages or announcements with the involvement of teachers, students, and families. It also holds the notification when there is any progression from the given activity, comments from announcement, and others. So the second is the journal. We can see the accepted output from students' announcement and other posted information here in the journal. You can also see that you can like, comment, and even save and share using the three dots in the right side of every posted in the journal. So, the last thing you should know also is the plus sign in the upper part of the screen, in which it is have a word add. Here is the part where you can post students' work, assign activity, and send an announcement. For practical setup, let's go with the other member of our team.
So yun nga teachers, from this point here on, I am going to show you how to make and deliver lessons and activity using SEESAW. So once you sign in on SEESAW as a teacher, you will be redirected to this screen. So as you can see, I already made a class. This is grade 7, Gumanela. And you see this plus sign here that says add. You're going to click this and you will see post student work, assign activity, and or send an announcement. That is our 3 options. So first, let us see how send an announcement works. So for example, today, please prepare yourselves. Ayan, and select your audience, that is for all your students, and send now. This will appear in our students' respective inboxes, so they will be informed about this announcement. Next, we're going to post student work. This is where we can send our lessons. No? Click that and then you will be redirected here. We have 6 options actually. That is so amazing, right? First, we have the photo. You're just going to take a picture of your lessons. You can do that. You can do that here. We have drawing. If you want to draw something, we have video. This is where you can video yourself discussing about your topic or lessons. We also have upload, where the maximum file size is 250 MB. We can drop some files, a picture, or a video recorded lesson. That is so possible here in SEESAW. We also have the note, wherein you're going to type something, type your lessons and or discussions. You can do that here. And we also have the link if you happen to want your students to see a video. So as of this time, you are going to choose note na lang sa. First topic is about solutions. That's it. And if you're done, click this check button and you are given 2 options. If you want to record something of an additional information, perhaps you can, or edit the note. If you want to change something, you can freely do so. And if you are contented already with your lesson, then you click this check button. And actually, you can send it individually or to all the class. So let's click that one and click the check button. That is also again will appear to our students' journal, and also it will notify them. And if you want to add some video of your discussion, you can actually click link and paste it here. Again, we'll assign it to everyone. This will appear also to our students' journal and inboxes. Next, after we post their lesson, we are going to assign an activity. So as you can see, we have this My Library section here, which allows us teachers to make a pre-made activity. And all we have to do is to click this one. This is actually a pre-made activity. Click Assign. And yes, to our grade 7 Gumamela, and assign to one class. And as you can see, we have this schedule here, but this is for premium purchases. So, and yes, assigned to one class. And activity assigned already. Or also, we can create new activity. Okay, I will show you how. Okay, this is the title of our activity. Steps for sweetening iced tea. Okay. That's it. Identify which type of solution was created in each step. And after you have post something or like type something, you are given a chance to add voice instructions or add multimedia instructions or example. And if you happen to be contented already with everything, click save and click assign to the class. An activity assigned already. Let's go back to the class. And this is how we see it. We already have this add response button. That means that our students have already received this in their respective inboxes. So all we have to do is wait for our students' response, and later on, we're going to check it. So it's here. The student already responded to the activity. Either you're going to approve it, delete it, or send it back. So I can see it. So you click approve.
And that's it, teachers. That's how we use SEESAW. It's a great tool for the integration of technology in our education system. It's not just a space for students and teachers, but also for our dear parents who would like to check on in their children. And we have come at the end of our presentation. And let me end it by quoting a line from George Couros saying, "Technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of a great teacher can be transformational." This has been your Teacher Glory together with my co-teachers, Teacher Hannah, Teacher Gladys, Teacher Raymund, and Teacher Jack. Thank you for your time and have a good day ahead.